Let's switch the tank mouse for a USB mouse. How does it work? Let's check it out. I'm going to use this Logitech MX Master 3. It's a nice mouse and it's totally wireless, but we need the dongles. Be right back. Just look behind my Amiga. There's my dongle, USB dongle with this mouse. And now we can use it instead of the tank mouse. But make sure it is on 1. And then you see the mouse works really nicely. You can surf. You can watch the news. Lots of news. Wayfar 2.8. You can read about it on Amitopia. Turbo. Action play. Turbo tomato. Well, this website should be in HTML, but it looks cool. Yeah, you can download it. The mouse works perfectly. And if you wonder which mod this is the Fisk Series Orbiter mod. I love this mod. Don't you? Well, this mouse works nicely. Well, let's download the image. It's a PNG file. Let's put it here. And then let's find photogenics. It's not here. Where is it? Graphics. Here we have photogenics. For example, photogenics 5.0. And then we can open the file. Let's open. Loading PNG image. There we have it. And then we can do lots of things with it. can add text to it. This picture. Can add more text. Get it. Yeah. Let's save it as. You can save in many formats. Let's save in TIFF, for example. Saving TIFF image. Then we can move on to TV Paint, my beloved program. And it supports TIFF, so TIFF is a nice format. It's quite huge. So the mouse works really nice. Test. USB mouse with warp 1260. USB wirelessly. Without wire, so it's wireless. MX Master 3 on Amiga 1200. It works. And the song we are listening to now is this also. Wow. Yeah, it is that one. I don't see full. Okay. Awesome day. USB works on Amiga 1200 machine from 1992. Have an awesome day.